Chapter 1 Vedamrita. Introduction. From the point of view of antiquity and superiority, all the literature available with use in Sanskrit language is that of Vedic origin. This Vedic literature has four parts: Samhita, Brahmana Grantha, Aranyaka, and Upanishads. Samhita deals with collection of hymns, while Brahmana Granthas are one type of written notes of preserved hymns in Samhita. The meaning of the collected hymns of Samhita Granthas are given in the Brahmana Granthas, and its application is also suggested. Here the application is intended to show at which stage or occasion of daily life or the ritual a particular hymn could be recited. Observing this tradition, in the present chapter, 6 hymns are selected from Rigveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda, having 4 titles. First, Pranamanjali; second, Prarthana; third, Sankalpa; and fourth, Vedopdesha. To be helpful in the beginning of the daily life, it is advisable to begin the daily life with Pranamanjali. That is why in the beginning itself there are 2 hymns that can be applied during Pranamanjali. Here there is a salutation to the eldest Brahma. Metaphor has been used in the hymns of this Pranamanjali. Then a prayer is offered to whom the Pranamanjali is dedicated. 2 hymns are given here so that they can be used as prayer at prayer time. There is prayer for 6 different matters altogether in the first hymn, and for acquiring intellect in the second hymn. There is a hymn which can be used as a vow after the prayer. In this hymn, devotee expresses his resolve to make his heart Shiv-like, that is, heart that keeps on taking welfare vows. There is a preaching hymn from Veda in the end having instructions only for human beings. The thought found in the hymns of Veda explains how closely it is knitted with the day-to-day life of a person. Besides, the thought could be helpful in all ages and at all places uniformly. No difference of person or race or place or age is visible there. Pranamanjali. Yasya bhumih pramantrikshit mutodaram divam yaschake murdhanam tashme jyeshtaya brahmane namah यस्य सूर्यश्च चंद्रमाश्च पुनर्नवः अग्निम यश्चक्रे आश्यम तस्मै ज्येष्ठाय ब्रह्मणे नमः। प्रार्थना। इंद्रश्रेष्ठानि द्रवीणानि देहि चितिं दशस्य सुभग तस्मै पोषरणीयामिरिष्टि तनुना स्वाग्ना न वाचः सुन्दित महः मेघं मे वरुणो ददातु मेघमग्नि प्रजापति मेघमिश्च वायुश्च मेघं धाता ददातु मे स्वाहा। संकल्प। शुषार्थीर्श्वानिव यन मनुष्यान्ने नियते भिषुभिर्वाजिन इव हृदय प्रतिष्ठम यद्जीरम चविष्ठम तन्मे मनः शिव संकल्पमस्तु। यजुर्वेद। वेदोपदेशः। मोघमनं विदन्ते अप्रचेता सत्यम ब्रवीमि वध इतसतस्य नार्यमणं पुष्यति नो सखायं केवलादो भवति। केवलादि। ऋग्वेदः